Good afternoon and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing another video on a BMW 3 Series. This model variant is the 330e, that's the hybrid. Okay, so we'll have a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the tech and options. So of course we have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. Along with that, this vehicle does feature many optional extras, so we'll be sure to get through them as quick as possible. Of course we have the LED headlamps up front there, which not only look great, they do also aid your vision at night. Moving around to the side, we have the Msport alloys in the 19-inch. In the original finish with the Runflat tyres as well. This is where you'll charge your vehicle up, should you choose to do so, with the electric cable that is supplied with the car upon purchasing it. If you fully charge your vehicle, which costs around £3 to £4, you will get around 25 to 30 miles of pure electric driving, according to BMW's facts. Inside the car, we have a beautiful black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. And not only is it the black leather, it is the exclusive stitching and piping there. One of the options on this 3 Series is the Harman Kardon surround sound system that it has. A very nice option to have and exclusively quite rare to get on a 330e. Moving into the back, it is a very clean, tidy example. It is a low mileage example, and we will show you the odometer reading in just a moment when we hop on into the driver's seat. Down the side, of course, it features the sidebar, side decals and side vinyls. And showing you off them lovely 19-inch alloys once again. If you are new to looking into the 330e range, BMW have very cleverly packaged these vehicles with all the battery technology in the boot. However, you've not lost out on much boot room at all, just a little bit of the depth. Another one of the options on this vehicle is the split folding seats, which is an optional extra on the 3 Series saloons. So I'll show you that in just a moment. If we shut down the boot, we've got the beautiful performance spoiler and diffuser on the lower rear bumper. Of course, I will leave a link in the top right hand corner at the end of this video where you can view my full guide through the 330e technology, in which I do give you a full talk through of all the clever technology and the benefits and perks of owning one. Of course, being a hybrid, you will get the congestion charge zone that is free on these vehicles. The tax, however, that does change daily. That is all dependent on what the government and whoever is controlling the tax is doing. So at the moment, this registration vehicle, it would be free to tax it. However, that can change and is changing. So that is something to be aware of. However, remembering you are going to get 25 to 30 miles of free driving when you've charged it up, of course. So now that we've started the car up, we can show you some of the interior features and options we have. So there's some beautiful heated seats. We have the sport gearbox with paddle shift, cruise control, voice recognition, voice activation, and as I said, it is a very low mileage example with just over 70. It's just done over 17,000 miles. And if I click this button just here that's hidden underneath the steering wheel, you will see that it has a heated steering wheel, which is a very nice feature to have at this time of the year. We have BMW's business navigation and media, so there's your sat nav, your Bluetooth for your media and telephone calls, full DAB radio, a wide range of multimedia inputs, including of course Bluetooth, as I've just mentioned. Not only have you got your 4 different driver modes, you've also got 3 different E modes. Obviously most of the time you're just going to let it to be into automatic, where basically the car knows what mode is best for it, where it will flick in between the electric of the batteries and the petrol engine up front, which is a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. Okay guys, that's just about it from me here on the Estral Blue 66 Reg BMW 330e. We of course can offer you some outstanding finance packages here at Your Next Car, if they are required. If you do require any further information on this vehicle or any of our other current stock, please do feel free to give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com, and someone will get back to you very as quick as they can. And I will also leave my own email address in the description below, where I will answer all of your technical inquiries if you do have any around the hybrid range, or just generally around all of our current stock. Okay guys, as I say, I will leave the link in the top right hand corner at the end of this video for you to view, where I do give a full talk through about owning the hybrid BMW. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.